Welcome back, my dear students of class 8. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, your science teacher, and I am going to present this second video for chapter light, that is 15th chapter. My dear students, in the previous video I have explained that what is light, what is the how does the things make visible to us, and what are the different types of the reflection, what are the properties of the light, that it reflect, it absorb, it get dispersed. So many phenomena takes place with the different types of the object by the light. My dear students, in the previous video I have told you already about the reflection with the plane mirror. So let's start from that point. Reflection with the plane mirror and law of reflection, real and virtual image. These are the topics which I am going to cover in this video. So let us see. Suppose this is the surface. This is the surface of a plane mirror. A plane mirror means one side will be colored and other side will be plain. So the light that is coming, suppose this is the one ray, okay, and this light ray is coming from the source of the light to this mirror, and this ray get reflected at a certain angle, and that is known as reflected ray. So this will be the incidence ray, and this will be the reflected ray, So these are two rays. This is the incidence ray, this is the reflected ray, and the point where this incidence ray get touched with the surface of this mirror, that will be known as point of, this will be the point of incidence, point of incidence. Now if you divide this angle by a normal line, then this line will be known as N or normal, that is perpendicular to the mirror. This line is perpendicular to the mirror, so this line will be known as normal. And now this angle and these two angles are formed. One is known as angle of incidence and another is known as angle of reflection. This is angle I, this is angle I, and this is angle R. So by this diagram, by this ray diagram, we have to predict the law of reflection. Then let us see what will be the law of reflection. Law of reflection. Dear student, the law of reflection says that number one, the incidence ray means this ray. The incidence ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So number one, that all these rays are lying in the single plane, means this incidence ray, reflected ray, normal, these three lines, they will be situated in the same plane. There will be no alternation of plane, and angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. So number one, all three lines are in same to that angle I is equal to angle R. Means this, if this angle is having 30 degree, then this angle will be also of the 30 degree. So this is the angle of reflection versus angle of I. Now now we will be able to discuss now that suppose several examples will be taken. If you switch on a torch and you torch on a white wall, then the torch light will get reflected, that will back to us, that will spread fastly so that the things will be visible in the white background very clearly. And now I am coming on the images formed by the optic. Optic means the mirrors. Okay. So there are two kinds of images. There are two kinds of images, and these images. Now I hope that you are clear about this. The law of reflection, that is, all three lines are in the same plane, and angle of reflection is equal to angle of I, angle of incidence and angle of I, that will be equivalent. Now come to the virtual image and real image. So my dear student, real image means the image which is formed on the screen. Means when the images are formed, and that is possible as a result of the reflection inside the different types of the optics, then that will be known as the optical image. And these optical images are of two types based on the nature of the optics, nature of the glass. Okay, so two types of the image. Number one, real image. Number one, real image. See what is real image. So देखो बेटा, real image जो है, this real image will be formed only on the screen. Screen means mobile screen, cinema screen, television screen, and image is observed as a result of the projector, which is projecting the rays on the wall or on any screen. So real images will be observed. Real images will be observed only on the screen. Screen is required to get the real image. And how does real image will be formed? Suppose one ray is coming like this, another ray will coming like this, then this one, then this will be the focal point and it will form a real image. Real image. Okay, this will form a real image. While the virtual image, that will be formed behind the mirror. Virtual image means, virtual image कहाँ बनता है? Virtual, अगर आप शीशे के सामने खड़े होइए, if you stand over there in front of the mirror, then there will be an image. There will be an image formed behind the mirror. You will see yourself behind the mirror at the same distance. At the same distance. And that image will be known as virtual image. You cannot touch that image. That image is virtual. Okay? So, virtual image means behind the glass, behind the mirror, that image will be formed. If you see your face in the mirror, then you will see yourself behind the mirror at the same distance. Now see how does this virtual image is formed by a plane mirror. So in today's video, I would like to discuss this image formation. Image formation, how does image get formed by the plane mirror. So let us see. Suppose this is a mirror. This is a mirror that is colored at the side and this one. This one is colored at the side, and there is an object. Here is an object. Suppose this is an object. This is a candle, and here is an object in front of the mirror. Now see what is going to happen. What is going to happen? The things means that this ray, if a ray is coming from this point to this point, then this ray will come back on the same path. This ray will come back on the same path, right? And you can imagine beyond this mirror at the same distance that if this, अगर ये रे पास नहीं, अगर ये रे रिटर्न बैक नहीं होती तो पास होती तो कहाँ तक जाती है? यहाँ तक आती है. Suppose then the ray which is coming here, that get reflected. This is the incidence ray. This is the reflected ray. IR, and this is the RR. Now, if this will be not reflected, then it will pass behind the mirror and it will touch at this point. Okay? This will touch at this point, and this will be the normal. Suppose this will be the normal line. This is I, angle I. This is angle R. So this is the place where image is formed. This is the place where image is formed. So my dear student, the image formation by the plane mirror, that I have explained to you by the help of this diagram. Now let's recap about the formation of the image by a plane mirror. You take a plane mirror like this. This is a plane mirror having one side painted, and one side that is a plane, and an object you will put an object in front of the mirror at certain distance. Suppose this is the 10 centimeter, this is the 10 centimeter, then this will be again 10 centimeter. Okay? So a ray will come from this object. Suppose this is the sunlight. And the ray will come here. One ray will directly hit to it, and that ray will back to on the same path. There will be no reflection. That reflection will be on the same path, return back. Second ray that will come to another point of incidence, then that ray will be reflected here. Suppose if this ray will be not returned back to this path, then this will lead to cross the mirror and it will travel up to some distance like 10 centimeters. Suppose this ray will be not reflected. If this ray will be not reflected, reflected ray, if it come back of the mirror, then that will come to this point. At the point of crossing, there will be the formation of a virtual image and virtual image. तो स्टूडेंट, ये जो वर्चुअल इमेज बनता है, यह मिरर से उतनी ही दूरी बनेगा जितनी दूरी पर की ऑब्जेक्ट बढ़ाएगा. सपोज दिस इज अ 10 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस, देन बिहाइंड द मिरर देयर विल बी द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर. द इमेज साइज विल बी द सेम एज कंपेयर टू, सपोज अगर इसकी साइज जो है 2 सेंटीमीटर है, then this side will be the same side will be formed 2 centimeter. There will be no change in size, in color, in anything. Same the virtual image will be formed. One thing will be changed. That will be the lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means आपका अपना दाहिना इमेज में बाएं दिखेगा, आपका अपना बायां इमेज में दाहिने दिखेगा. Then that will be known as the lateral inversion. So the image form will be the same size at same distance and there will be the lateral inversion. There will be lateral inversion. So these are three characteristics of the images formed by the plane mirror. So my dear student, probably in the next video I will take up next topics of this chapter. So till then, thank you very much. Please watch this video and learn the image formation by the plane mirror. Thank you very much. Good day.